Hi guys, and welcome back to Tips and Pips, and we're going to be analysing the gold markets. However, before I get started, if you haven't done so already, please feel free to go and join my Telegram group. It is completely free, where I share market analysis and research. You can join by scanning the QR code on the screen now, and the link is also in the description of this video. Okay, so moving on to gold, we're currently sitting at $1,670 or $1,671, and we saw an incredibly bullish session on Friday. But as we know, it's the first Friday of the month, so we did have CPI reading, which could have had a larger impact. So CPI came in hotter than expected, and traditionally when we see that happen, we do see the market act respectively, and that's exactly what's happened. CPI came in hotter than expected, so more jobs than initially expected, and that has seen this surge in price. And that's often, CPI can often dictate and sort of explain whether we're going into a longer term recession or going into a short term recession, or whether we're breaking out towards the end of a recession. So as we know, we have continued this nice downtrend, and we have broken above this downtrend now. We have seen slightly bearish candles on today's opening, and we are at our 50-day EMA. So I am going to suggest that there is a great selling opportunity here. Possibly, I wouldn't say take us down to our previous level of structure. As we now see, it was a double bottom, and we have achieved a triple bottom, and that is exactly where me and the team put an entry in, and we've achieved our targets, which is absolutely excellent. So whoever's in our signal team, so congratulations, well done for being involved in that trade. So next I do see gold going south, consolidate around this level, around 165, 1,650, and then hopefully break up to the upside. As I said previously, I'm quite bullish on gold, especially with the fundamentals that have come out. Based on technicals, we are still in a downtrend depending on today's close. Hopefully we can get a close above our downward trend line and above our 50-day EMA, and I definitely think we're going to push on to some targets that will take us up to our 200-day EMA. But as I did mention previously, on the fundamental side of things, and news related, we do have China and Russia accumulating lots and lots of gold, and raw materials, not just gold, all kind of raw materials, which is inevitably going to drive the price of gold north. So I am quite bullish on gold over the long term. However, at the moment I see a potential shorting opportunity depending on today's close, and then look to go and hopefully break past our downward trend line and our 50-day EMA to go test towards our 200-day EMA.